draw our hip next. So I'm not going to walk through doing this whole thing with all of the dimensions, but what I will do is I will draw it to the wrong size. So just take note of that. I'm going to draw it to the wrong size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this end view and then extrude it back, and then we're going to cut out this rectangle. So I'll show you how to do it, but I'm not going to use the right dimensions, but you need to use the right dimensions yourself. So here we go. I'm going to draw on the end. I'm going to just grab my rectangle. I'm just going to draw a random size so it's wrong. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to draw an arc, a 3-point arc. So arc. Well, that's not an arc. Let's go again. An arc, a 3-point arc. 1, 2, and then it comes down. Now just be aware here. This arc needs to be in the middle this way. When I dimension my arc is currently a radius of 60. So I'm going to leave it there. Now yours needs to be a radius of 35, and it needs to be 8 mil down. So if I went in dimension, say from here to here, it's going to dimension from here down, which means I need to do a little bit of maths, because if I wanted 8 mil from here to here, it would be 60, because it's 60 from there to there, because that's the radius. So it would be 60 minus 8 would give me the right dimension in here to make that 8 millimeters. It's a little bit tricky. Now I'm going to leave mine there. All my numbers are wrong, but just be aware. Once I've got that, I can just extrude this one straight out, and I'm just going to make him 300, which is wrong, so make sure you get yours right. Once I've got that, I just need to go back and I need to cut this rectangle out. So, how do I do that? Well, I'm going to draw it off this top edge, not off my curve, but off the top edge. And I'm going to draw him, and like on yours, it will look something like this. It'll go across into both edges a little bit, like so, but you need to make sure yours is in the middle this way and the right dimensions for that rectangle. So you've got all your dimensions. It's 12 millimeters wide, it's 50 millimeters long, it's 15 millimeters deep. So there is my slot. Then when I extrude it, if I rotate around here, I can choose that, and that. Make sure they're all highlighted blue, and I can cut down into my job, and that would make me my piece for my pelvis. Once you've got that and all the dimensions are correct, hit save. Lego man pelvis all sorted.